All right, here to do another felt overlap. You got the right slope of the house right here, back slope to my right. I'm going to take a few of these ridge cap shingles out to verify that we have felt overlap here. Yeah, so let's go and get started. So we're going to start off by unsealing a few of these, so that we can kind of identify where our fasteners are. Now, these are a little bit different than the last ones I was doing. If you watch the other video as well, these are a little bit thinner. Oof, yeah. Getting chunks of these coming off. These are pretty weathered here. Let's see if I can. Alright, so I'm going to start with my fasteners on this one. Lift up, see that first one right there? And these are going to be difficult. Oh, there we go. Very, very thin and brittle here. So, so basically I'm the first fastener out there, or first two fasteners out. Basically just coming up under the shingle, come off to the side, and then we'll try to get under that nail and lightly wiggle it out. These things are super brittle, so I'm trying to be as easy as I can with them so they go back in. But once again, I got the same roof cement. It's necessary for the temporary repair of putting these back on. Once again, you know, we're really you want to be real careful kind of breaking this last little bit of sealant. As you get thin ones like this, they try to tear real easy. There's our first one. Let's go ahead. Oh, we got this one out. We'll come down to this one since the fasteners are just exposed right here. It's so easy to see where these are at. And when these are installed, technically they're just like a shingle. They'll have two, like up to 2 course rows if they're installed properly. So this one pulled through here, but what I mean by that is, you know, you'll get, if they're done here and here, up here that one just hit the side of it, but also the second nail went through that one there. So drop my flat bar. Completely unseal this one, so let's finish that off. This is the one where that piece of it chipped off earlier and I stopped. You can see there where that one chipped off earlier just because it's so brittle. All right, so we're back to felt overlap. Once again, I'm gonna just stop, document a little bit, showing that I do have overlap. Probably going to take one more ridge cap off, work my way down, just because these are exposed, and then we'll be able to hopefully lift these shingles up, field shingles on either side, and verify that that is at least 6 or 8 inches over. Man, these things are brittle. All right, so got those out. Just need to unseal it here. That came unsealed relatively easy. A little tear there, but nothing major. All right, so now I have a couple of fasteners that I can remove. I'll basically get these out of the way. So as this one comes up, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but the shingles start to lift. That's good. That means I'll be able to kind of get a good view back in there, hopefully verify, you know, which way this felt paper goes, how far back. All right. So. Flashlight here, and get my tape measure, which I hope I brought. Yep. All right, so now just kind of lightly lifting, pretty tight area right here. Once again, you know, just trying not to disturb too many shingles, but yeah, once again, can't see it, can't reach, I can maybe reach about 3.5, 4 inches into this one. Can't verify which way it rolls over. So try using the flash of my camera to document this. But you can plainly see here that it has felt overlap, which means this has box fins. Also, this being a ridge, it means that this is a hip, means the ridge will be the same way. For insurance purposes, I'll probably take a short video as well, just to verify. It'll be a little bit easier to send in to insurance, you know, versus this on my GoPro. So let's see, let's go to video. All right, I am at the Deliso residence up here. There's the right slope, back slope. The insurance is about the back slope. You can see right here, felt overlap. You can see some small tear right here. This is not the break in it. You can see here where it just looks like the shingle has sat there over time, maybe where they cut the shingle or As the felt paper leaches out all of its oil and dries out, the shingles will sit on it and sometimes cause perforations in it a little bit. But I've reached back in here about 3 to 4 inches. Cannot